guys, it's me again. I don't know if you saw the one of my first episodes that I had that problem with the roof being had a crack on a beam. Two beams had a crack on it. I took the metal off, as you can see up here, and I put a bracket that could fix that held it. See that bracket right there, little bracket. But then I have a bigger bracket on top of it. Below it. Let me get you check it out. Here we go. Right there. That's the bracket. I put the aluminum piece that I saved from when I cut out the window, and then I put that metal bracket that I made on top of that, so that's double, and it's strong. I'm pulling on it. It's like barely moving, like just like the regular roof. That's just how it is. Okay, but this other one over here, that crack right there, I don't know if you can see it. It's cracked. It's offset a little bit, but that right there, the whole roof moves. So I gotta make another bracket right here to go across, and that's where I got this other piece from the other half of the window that I'll use, and I'll make it work up there somehow. Like I did the other one. Gotta go up against it. I'll put pressure up, and then I already got the holes that where I'm gonna put the bolts at, the locations. Then I'm gonna put on the other side. I'm gonna put a metal bracket just like I did this bracket. So, but I didn't notice the next level, the next beam. There's little rivets missing right here, and that is broken too. So I'm gonna have to take off this whole sheet, that whole sheet right there, and fix that problem too. Once that one's fixed and this one's fixed right here, then I can put everything back. But till then, I gotta figure out what I'm gonna do. And when I don't know if you saw the other episode, the other video that I made that I covered somebody had screwed through the roof, and I guess maybe they're trying to tie in so it won't move around, but that didn't help. So I had to use that liquid metal filler that I bought. Very good, worked perfect. I went over it again, probably about 2 hours after it dried. I went over it again and put another coat, and that was it. No, it rained hard last night to the morning. I'm talking about thunderstorms, like hail and everything, very bad. But nah, no leaks or nothing. Very great. I'm very pleased with that product. So if you ever need to fill in the hole, anything in your car, anything, a little pinhole or a little bit nickel size hole, whatever, you got it. You could work it. Probably not a nickel size, maybe like about I'm gonna say like a dime or something. You would have to put a piece of paper or something on the other side so it could just stay on. Maybe it might hold, I don't know, but I know for screw holes it works perfect. So that's what I'm working on. You can see as I go with this project. Like and subscribe too, guys. Take a moment and do that. Hit the notification. Share this video. But I want you to see I gotta make a bracket now, and hopefully this one works like the other one worked. See if this works. Hopefully it works. I already roughed it up. Just to rub up the surface. Put quite a bit, so maybe it'll last longer. And get all the holes on there. That's a little one. Hopefully it sticks real good. Have to run water over it tomorrow. See what happens. I just don't want to leak no more. Go ahead and coat it again. It says it's sandable. sealed. I'll probably put some more on tomorrow, later on today. See how that goes. But that's one of the projects. The other project, like I said, another part of the project is being broken right there. See that crack right there. I gotta put a brace. I'm gonna make I have this part right here. This is actually from the window. I actually cut it off it's a part when I put this window in. It's a part that cut out. I don't know if you can see that. I got it on both sides, and I saved these for a reason. And I didn't know it was gonna come to it that I had to really use it, but the only thing I could think of is to cut this to make it fit. When I mean cut it, I want to get this piece where the crack is right there. Put this piece and brace it up and put some bolts on it. But I gotta cut this piece first. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. And then you can see that being done right now also. as you can see, when I put the bracket on, it's tight. But I haven't tightened these last two yet. So I'm going to finish those two. That should be done. The wrong one. Almost done. Get them all tight. I want these to come loose at all.